Hey everyone, welcome to the altcoin of the weekend, that is EOS. And EOS is range bounding now around $262, 2.62 actually. And we see that Bitcoin rallied recently, the last 48 hours, towards 9,400, and the market capitalization is now, for the total market, $262 billion. Bitcoin is number one, of course, with $9,413. It has a market cap of $173 billion. That means that BTC dominance is standing around 66%. That means that XRP and also other alts are not performing that well. Although Ethereum is moving higher, and also what is very nice is Cardano, which we have bought recently for our swing trading portfolio, standing at a decent gain of 10%. And it means that that is moving forward. And EOS, which is very interesting to take a look on a daily basis with the Trade Navigator. I've programmed it from Harm van Wijk, is the constructor of this indicator, and there's a buy signal on daily basis. And also when we take a look on the 240 minutes, there we see very nice to the downside 2.45, 2.40. That is the cutoff in my opinion, and I think that the market will go higher and it will move towards 3 at least, and maybe 3.50 on the longer term. And it's not that crazy because we've seen this level in the back of the early beginning of this year was more or less 5, so it can even potentially move 100% from here. First of all, I would like to invite you to 3commas mastermind group on Wednesday from 8 to 9, and I put here a Smarttrade on EOS, for instance, for $50, and it is here on the for 50 USD T, and it's sitting for 2.55. When the market will drop a little bit, and then it will put a buy order around 555, but I can also move it actually towards, I think I will edit it a little bit, because it's moving a little bit higher. So I would like to take a look if I can buy it on a higher level on 260, for instance. There I will put a trailing buy order. That means that when the market will touch 2.60, then the buy order will be triggered, and that means that if it will be triggered, then we can take a look. Wait, 2.60, it's here, current 2.62. That means it's waiting now. When the market will touch this level, then the order will be kicked in, and when the market continues to drop, and then it will move as well 0.5% lower, and when it's going up again, then it will pick up the coin. So that is a smart trade, I hope. The other one is I would like to take a look to show you, that is here the Deribit perpetual BTC, and that means that this is a B trader. I have connection actually with Deribit for the cryptos, and TWS system of Maxim, it's interactive brokers platform, also connected to that platform, but that I use more for Forex, but I will stick to the BTC. And the BTC Bitcoin perpetual, I've made a decent rally from 8,866, fully automatically traded, and now it double turned to the short around 9,451, more or less 30 points in the profit. Into profit now, small profit still. And I would like to invite you as well for our mastermind group on Tuesday. That will be from 8 to 9 CET as well. So I wish you a very pleasant evening, of course. Take a close watch to EOS again, and it would not surprise me if we will zoom higher towards 3.50 or maybe even $5 soon. Hasta la vista. Bye.